If your legs still look the same after months of training, you're making one of these three mistakes. Let's break down exactly why your legs aren't growing and how to fix it. Mistake number one, quarter rep squats. If you're not reaching full depth, you're barely activating your quads, and that's a huge reason your legs are stuck. The fix is simple. Go full depth every rep. Full range of motion means full muscle activation. That's where real growth happens. Mistake number two, using the same weight forever. You're not progressively adding load. Legs have no reason to grow. Progressive overload is non-negotiable. Add weight, add reps, or add sets over time. Your legs adapt to the demand you place on them. And mistake number three, no recovery. Your legs don't grow in the gym. They grow when you rest. Skip recovery and you're leaving gains on the table. Fix your depth, progressively overload, and recover properly. Do those three things consistently and your legs will finally start growing. Save this and start applying it today. If your glutes look flat, no matter how many squats you do, they're probably not activating at all. Your quads and lower back are doing all the work instead. Most people squat with their quads and knees leading the movement. That pattern trains your legs but leaves your glutes completely out of the equation. Before adding weight, learn to feel the muscle. Place your hand on your glute and squeeze. If you can't feel it fire here, you won't feel it under a barbell either. Glute bridges isolate the muscle with no other body part to cheat with. Squeeze hard at the top and hold for a full second. This is where real activation starts. Hip thrusts let you load the glutes directly under heavy resistance. This is the single best builder for glute strength and size once activation is dialed in. Banded lateral walks target the glute medius, the muscle that stabilizes your hips and rounds out that fuller glute shape from every angle. Fix the activation and everything changes. Stronger, fuller, better shaped glutes aren't about more squats. They're about finally teaching the muscle to fire.